Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So, right here guys, we're going to demonstrate where the BCM module fuses are located on 2017 Honda Civic. We have two fuse boxes, guys. You can see this is the fuse box that we'll need under the hood. If you open the hood on your Honda Civic, on the right side of your car battery you have that fuse box, that's the cover. If you open that cover now, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like that. This is the front of your Honda Civic, this is towards the windshield side. Now, before we continue guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we need to check here, guys, for the BCM fuses, they will be located in the engine fuse box, and these fuses will control the BCM, will supply the BCM body control module with power. We have some fuses here, relays, but if you come towards the bottom side, you see that you have multiple, 3 of them or 4, it could be on your model, special fuses. Okay, these are known as multi-block fuses, guys. Those are really expensive in some cases or hard to find, but we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price. If one of those things burn inside, let's say only fuse number 2 of that block burns, you have to replace the whole block. How you do that, you remove the bolt and pull it out. How you test, how you find out if they're burnt, you remove the bolt again and you look at them, and they will look just like this one. Once you remove the bolt, you can see these are the fuses and you can find out easily if they're burnt or not. Okay, and you will be able to tell for sure, guys. Now which fuse we need to check for the BCM, we are going to come right here now. Okay, and here, okay, if we come right there, let me show you now. Okay, perfect. In that fuse box here, from top to bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, that 60 amp fuse that we have here, that will be the one for the BCM. Then we will need to come to fuse box number 3, and here we will need to check fuse number 3, 1, 2, 3, that 40 amp fuse right here, you will need to check. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.